All you have to do is breakfast is a very important meal. Why not eat breakfast with full excitement? That is the reason we started Breakfast Ideas series. And today the breakfast idea is with potatoes. And I am going to take you through a journey of breakfast ideas with potatoes with my journey. First through my childhood. My first recipe is potato fried rice. And never underestimate the skin of the potato because this has got quite amount of nutrients. So vitamins, minerals and the nutrients in this potato. We are going to add some oil in a pan. We are going to add some mustard seeds. When they start crackling, in this you can add some cumin seeds, add some chana dal, some urad dal. This crunchiness is what makes this very, very tasty. Add some chopped ginger, add curry leaf. I am just waiting for the chana dal and urad dal to fry a little bit. After that, I am going to add these potatoes. Look how I have kept the skin of the potatoes with them. I don't lose the nutrients. Saute these potatoes, let them cook on a slow flame. Sprinkle little salt, some turmeric and put the lid on. The potato I am using are the crispy potatoes what I usually make the chips with, the russet kind of potatoes. So let it cook on a slow flame for 5 minutes with the lid on and then remove the lid and just saute it. In this add onions. This is absolutely fantastic. If you want you can add some green chili. I am adding some coriander powder, some chili powder. Mix all this. I am just going to move this masala on the side. Here I am going to add some butter. In this I am going to crack an egg. Look at this. Once the eggs cracks, just we are going to scramble this in the butter. While we do this, little bit salt and maybe if you want some chili powder. Anyway, what we added in the potatoes also will be good, and only one egg should be more than enough. Once this scrambles, pull the potatoes along with that, mix along with this. The beautiful, nice, the leftover, the previous day leftover rice is going on top of this, chopped coriander leaf, and then toss, scramble, do whatever you want. Your fantastic, the potato fried rice for the breakfast. This is super, super tasty. The super crunchy chana dal, urad dal and this green chili on top, everything makes my life beautiful. Especially the potatoes, they are still a little bit crunchy. When the potatoes are boiled and mashed, that's when the real cooking begins, and we are going to make that bonda, and that too with the dosa batter. For making this, we are going to add some oil, add very little. In this, we are going to add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds crackle, add some cumin seeds. In this, add chopped onion, curry leaf, some chopped green chili, add some turmeric, add some salt. Saute them till these onions get nice and soft. In this, add a little bit butter, slide in the mashed potato. Add some chopped coriander, mix this mixture. This is ready to go as a stuffing in our dosa batter. Take this mixture in a plate. Once this cools down, just make them into dumplings. These potato dumplings, by experience what I do is just roll it in the flour so that when you dip it in the dosa batter, it sticks well. Take the potato dumpling, put it in the batter, make sure it goes down and take it out. You can drop this into the oil. So oil should be nice, hot, and then another one, pull the potato out and drop this and they will come out excellent. These dumplings will have to be fried till they are golden, and drop them on a paper towel and these will come out nice crunchy. Just like bondas, dip it in any chutney and enjoy it. Look at these delicious bondas, nice, round and beautiful, and all you have to do is however hot they may be. The next potato preparation is what I learnt in Gujarat. Very simple one with green peas. is beautiful. So let's make that. For making this poha, add some oil in a pan. In the oil, add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds crackle, add cumin seeds. In this, add some peanuts. Let these peanuts also fry a little bit. You start seeing the peanuts crackling. In this, add a little bit of hing, mighty boiled potatoes cut into small pieces. Saute these potatoes. In this, we're going to add some green peas. You can add some turmeric. Give it a nice touch of flame. You're going to add some poha in a bowl. Add some water. We're going to add some chopped green chili, chopped coriander, some salt. Yes, I wanted to give 1 minute for the poha to suck in some water. Then take this poha, remove the moisture and add on top of this. Squeeze in a little bit of lime juice and just let this cook for 1 minute. If you want, you can sprinkle a little bit of water, put the lid on and let it steam for 4-5 minutes. Let it sit there for a few minutes and after that, hot poha can be served. Beautiful, nice, and the potatoes are slightly colored and fantastic. Poha, the steaming hot poha is ready. The hot poha, that lemon little bit makes these potatoes very, very tasty. The peanuts, when you fry them good, just outstanding. Wow. After Gujarat, I ended up in Chicago. Of course, even before that, I had Hashbrown potatoes, but we used to get these nice russet chip potatoes, and with that, they make excellent Hashbrown potatoes, which is, of course, famous for breakfast. I washed it in the water to remove off that extra starch, and then just make sure the extra moisture goes away. Put it in a strainer or put it in a cloth and just kind of slightly get rid of this water. In a pan, add oil. In this oil, we're going to add these potatoes and do not press them hard, just a little bit. On top of this, you can add a little bit of butter. Put the lid on and let it cook. The beautiful magical hash browns. So in the edges, you may have to just give it a slight nudge, and then this awesome, beautiful looking and the golden color. Wow. This is a perfect hash brown and this is nice and crunchy. Little bit of salt. Usually the butter salt is good enough. This is already beautiful. I'm going to let this cook on the other side and I'm going to serve this crunchy hash brown. When this is ready, this is nice and crunchy. And serve it with some scrambled egg and some tomato ketchup. This is yet another tasty potato breakfast. When you cut like this, the potato will be having nice crunch and soft inside. Little bit of tomato ketchup along with this. Hash brown, absolutely fantastic. Dear friends, not just Indian breakfast items, you can eat and enjoy breakfast items from all over the world, and this is one of my favorite. These dosa bondas with the chutney. Wow. With the poha. Wow. A lot of people love to add raw onions on top. If you want, you can try that. And my childhood favorite, many times I used to make this, I used to cry literally for this. And the egg does all the magic. Please watch my other breakfast ideas and keep cooking great food. And keep saying, Vare Vah.